This is the classic Army civilian M24. It weighs in around 8 pounds by itself with this big ass scope. It weighs in probably around 11 pounds. It's a bolt action. It's got very nice bolts here. And I upgraded the spring and most of the cylinder right now and a new type bore, so it's pretty good. It's got an adjustable stock here. You twist that out. And you twist this big piece right here. And if you twist it to its left, the stock piece goes in. Twist it to the right. I like it a little farther out. It goes out. It's a good rifle all in all. You can do a lot of stuff with it. I put this Harris Bipod on. It has 3 of these little sling mounts. I took one off so I can attach my own Harris Bipod on. You got one here and one here. And the magazine, it's a little weird. It's a plastic one, same as the one was in APS, but you put it in and it sticks out a little. If you can see that. So sometimes you gotta put a strap on the elastic strap right here, but it still feeds fine. But all around heavy rifle, pretty good. Upgraded spring and type bore is probably around like 450 FPS right now, and the scope is it's pretty big. It's 4 by 16. Oh, my bad. It's shit. The scope is pretty big. It's 4 to 16 times 50. So it's pretty heavy too. But all around good rifle. If you want to put some time into it, if you have time and the money, it costs $219. Probably, if you have enough money, maybe $100 in upgrades. Because I paid $70 for the cylinder and $30 for a new type bore. And the barrel length is 5.15, but you're not gonna be able to find a 5.15mm barrel unless it's custom cut. So if you just get an M16 all barrel, it's 5.10, and it's not gonna make a difference if it's off by a couple millimeters, but it's still very good, fun to play with. Heavy, so you're gonna need some strength to use it, but peace out.